Hi to all dear guys, welcome to the new video from our channel. At this video we are going to show you how to change Samsung A51 screen. At first open his covers and disconnect battery. Then put it on the machine to get hot. After that, get it and open screen by X-ray or card correctly. Then clean the ring of mobile to get ready for setting screen. Now lubricate the glue on the sides of ring to get set screen. And now put screen on the ring correctly and connect the battery on its place. After that, pack the covers. Our work completed. If you learn anything from this video, subscribe our channel and like the video.